Roman Babbage with another Gentleman's Box review, this time June 2018. The first item in the box is a Dead Soxy socks, retail value $25. Here are the socks. They are a purple design color with various purple pattern with a little bit of blue, very dark. Not exactly what you would want to wear for the summer, but this box does have a theme and it revolves around the galaxy and more of the stars. And the color really does make sense for the theme. I do like the socks. They're very colorful, very dark, very soft to the touch. A great addition to anyone's wardrobe. The second item in the box is Robertto's Silk Pocket Square. Retail value $80. And here it is. It is very similar in color to the socks. A dark purple with a light purple stars going across the face with a light purple band going on sides with white stitching. This is very nice, very soft, and very durable material here. I actually really like this pocket square because it's so... there's something a little bit different than most pocket squares that you see, and it's that purple tone that's a mix between light and dark. There's something very interesting about the way it actually reflects. It's almost like a monotone. It comes off a bit monotone, very neutral, a very nice addition to anyone's wardrobe. The third item in the box is Little Link Cufflinks, retail value $25. They come in a little bag like this. When we take them out, and this is what the cufflinks look like. They are a purple, they're round cufflinks with a very bowl-like or sphere-like surface to them, with the sky or the universe, some sort of maybe a nebula or something like that in as a picture that's that you can see through this sphere glass. Very, very nice. They match the socks and the pocket square very well. They're a little bit different than what you would normally see for a cuffling, but I think they work very well. The fourth item in the box is a sample, a 1 ounce sample of Nina Mari Skincare Jack Body Wash. There it is. It smells very warm and woody. Very, very nice. The fifth and last item in the box is a Fols For Men Dopp Kit. Retail value $27. Here it is. It is a black leather-like bag. It's very soft, opens with a zipper. It's not very big, but it is big enough to hold any traveling accessories that you need. The total value of this box is $157. Overall, I really like this box. I think it would have been more appropriate for a different season, but I love the colors, I love the way it was put together. It was very well thought through. I just don't think it was perhaps the correct season for this box. But overall, I really like it, and that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Let me know what is your favorite item, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. God bless.